It's a beautiful computer. We're gonna get in more in depth with it. We're gonna see how sound is, the keyboard works, and many more things right now. This is MacBook Pro 16. Let's see what specs we have here and open up the box, see what's in here. So as you see, it's a MacBook Pro 16-inch, 2.4 gigahertz rendering Pro, 5500, 32 gigabyte. And 1 terabyte memory. I'm so excited to get this because this is gonna be the laptop I will use for work, and everything you'll see in these videos, it's gonna be because of this laptop. I'm gonna put into great work. Really excited. I paid $0 so far for this laptop, and it's in my hands and I could start working on it. And I'll tell you guys how you could do the same thing soon. Let's open this up first and see what's inside. Turn this around. This is the beautiful laptop as you see on the screen. Look at this box. You know this is safe. Look at this. It's pretty heavy. This is the charger. That's what's in the box. The box is so thick. The charger. It's all wrapped up. Look how thick the box is. Ooh, look at that. This is what you guys all came to see. It's super shiny. Hopefully we don't break this. This is gonna be one expensive mistake if we drop this and break this. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have this laptop for 5 years at least. There you go. It has a really nice screen. I love the screen. And it has an escape pad right here, and the fingerprint right here, and escape pad right here, and you see the touch pad is right here. It looks really beautiful. The color is great. Let's get into the laptop itself. Alright guys, this is what you've been waiting for. MacBook Pro 16 with crazy nice specs, not just the basic version of this beautiful laptop. This is our new start in 2020 after this crazy year to provide the best videos we can. High quality tourism, vlogging, real estate, and financial tips that you can see coming from our channel. We are also going to share beautiful parts of the world as TK Hospitality travels. Hello, and we're back. We set up our Mac and it looks great. The colors are amazing. I'm gonna test some Georgian music because there's no copyright on most of Georgian music, so I'm gonna test that first. Got reggae kind of type of music, and you're gonna see how it sounds, and then we're gonna play something smooth, something classical, so you can hear both of them. It's good. Look at the sound of the keyboard. It's smooth. It's not too loud, but it's smooth. I like it. It's not extra clicky sound either, and it's when you click on it, it's not hard. This is the sound of little classical music. So right now I'm gonna tell you how I got this, and I paid $0 so far. So I did a little research and I found out you could get 0% if you buy Apple products with an Apple card. And I think if you guys don't have an Apple card, there was like a special plan too. If you applied right now, you would have got $50 as well, just because you applied, and you get 3% back on all Apple items. This specific item, you have 1 year to pay it off. So I got the Apple card and I waited a little bit, then I purchased it end of the month with the Apple card, and then you get 1 month extra. After you purchase, you get 1 month to pay off the first payment, and then the whole year starts. So I get 3% back for the purchase for the month, and then I pay the first month installment. They divided it to 12 months, depends how expensive your item was. For this, it was 1 year. So far I paid $0. So if you don't have a laptop, if you really want to buy a laptop and you don't have an Apple Card, I think that's the best way to purchase, because you can leverage your money, you could get the computer, you could work on it, you can make money before you even pay any single dollar off it, and it's 0%. You're paying interest and you get to make money with the computer. You get to make all the content you want, and maybe you could do your own business if you want a business. If you do it right, and if you use this and you make more money using the computer, if you hustle, then you will have more money. All the money that you invested in this, you'll get it back before that 1 year reaches. So every single dollar back that you invested in this computer. This spec, this specific model, costs around $3,500, and I haven't paid $1 yet. First payment will be in 1 month, and my goal is to make every single dollar back that I invested in this laptop. It is an expensive laptop, but it gives all the power that I need to do everything I can, run my business, make videos. So this is why I decided to get this laptop, and it was a great deal as well, because you leverage your money just like investing in real estate. You buy a house, you leverage your money, and you could make money, you could rent it, you can make money. Let the house work for you. I'm gonna try to let the computer work for me.